Exciting news for young professionals in India. The UK Young Professionals Scheme 2025 offers you the chance to live, work, and explore the UK for up to 2 years. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about the scheme, from eligibility requirements to the application process, important dates, and even tips to avoid visa scams. So, if you are ready to take the next big step in your career, stay tuned. The UK Young Professionals Scheme is a fantastic opportunity for Indian citizens to live and work in the UK for up to 2 years. It allows you to gain international work experience, explore new cultures, and expand your professional network. In 2025, the UK government is offering 3,000 spots under the scheme, making it a highly competitive but rewarding opportunity. The ballot for the UK Young Professionals Scheme 2025 opens on 18 February 2025 and closes on 20 February 2025. There are 3,000 spots available, and the best part, entering the ballot is absolutely free. All you need to do is apply on the official gov.uk website. And remember, the selection process is completely random, so everyone has an equal chance. To be eligible for this scheme, you must: Number 1. Be an Indian citizen aged 18 to 30. Number 2. Qualify for bachelor's degree level or above, equivalent to the UK's regulated qualifications framework level 6, 7, or 8. Number 3. Show proof of at least £2,530 in savings to support yourself during your stay in the UK. Make sure you meet all these requirements before entering the ballot. Applying is simple. Here's how to do it. Visit the official gov.uk website. Only apply through the official site to avoid scams. Enter the ballot. The ballot is open from February 18th to 20th, 2025. It's completely free to enter. Wait for results. Successful applicants will be notified via email within 2 weeks of the ballot closing. Next steps: if selected, you'll have 90 days from the date of the email to apply online for the visa, submit biometric verification, pay the visa application fee of £298 and a healthcare surcharge of £1,552. Avoid visa scams. You don't need an agent or third-party service to apply for this visa. Do not pay anyone who claims they can guarantee a spot in the ballot. Only use the official gov.uk website to enter and complete your application. Stay vigilant and protect yourself from immigration fraud. Here are some tips to increase your chances of a smooth application. Double-check eligibility. Make sure you meet all requirements. Prepare documents in advance. Have your degree certificate, passport, and bank statements ready. Apply early. Don't wait until the last minute. The system may get busy. Stay informed. Follow the official gov.uk page for any updates or changes. For more details and to enter the ballot, visit the official gov.uk website. I've also linked the official page in the description below. Make sure you are getting accurate information directly from the source. That's everything you need to know about the UK Young Professionals Scheme 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more updates, and share it with friends who might benefit from this opportunity. Good luck with your application, and see you in the next video.